issued at 5:46 p.m. The National Weather Service in Newport-Moorhead City has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Beaufort County in eastern North Carolina, east central Pitt County in eastern North Carolina, until 8:15 p.m. At 5:46 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, trained weather spotters reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: trained spotters report.
I've done it for a year. Good luck.
You haven't had, but maybe the men would be more.
Lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Washington, River Road, Blackjack, Bunyan, Old Fort, Chocowinity, Washington Park, and Gramerceland. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Beaufort and Pitt.
A lot more duck eggs.